What if I told you Cadillac didn't just build a motorhome, they built a rolling penthouse that flexes harder than most luxury mansions? Yeah? I'm talking chrome confidence, big body energy, and straight up boss vibes on wheels. This thing doesn't pull into a campground, it arrives. Welcome back to our channel. And today, we're breaking down the insane 2026 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome. A luxury beast that blends old-school American swagger with next-level modern tech. Let's kick it off with the exterior, because honestly, this motorhome looks like it owns the road. The front end is pure Cadillac attitude, massive grille, sharp LED lighting, and that signature platinum trim that just screams premium. You've got polished chrome accents, sculpted body lines, and a paint finish so deep it looks wet even under the sun. This thing is huge, but it doesn't look clumsy. It's got presence. The kind that makes people pull out their phones at stoplights. The side profile is clean and stretched, with flush-mounted windows, integrated storage compartments, and power awnings that slide out smooth like butter. Around back, the rear design is sleek and modern, with LED light bars and a clean finish that feels more luxury yacht than RV. Cadillac clearly said, yeah, we're doing this our way. Step inside, and boom, instant wow factor. The interior is straight up Cadillac DNA turned up to 11. You're looking at premium leather everywhere, real wood trim, brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting that sets the mood, day or night. The living area feels more like a high-end lounge than a motorhome. Plush seating, wide sofas, and captain's chairs that feel like they belong in a luxury SUV, not something this massive. The layout is open and airy, thanks to panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. At night, the soft LED lighting gives off chill vibes, perfect for kicking back after a long drive. The cockpit is where tech lovers are gonna lose it. Cadillac didn't mess around here. You've got a fully digital driver display, massive infotainment screen, and a center console that looks like it came straight out of a flagship Escalade. Touch controls, voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium surround sound system that slaps hard. Everything is positioned perfectly, so whether you're cruising the highway or maneuvering through tight spots, it all feels intuitive and smooth. This is a motorhome that actually makes driving feel fun, not stressful. Now let's talk kitchen area, because this is where luxury meets real world usability. You're getting solid surface countertops, high-end cabinetry, and top-tier appliances that feel more home than RV full-size fridge, induction cooktop, built-in microwave, and smart storage everywhere so nothing feels cramped. The finishes are clean and upscale, and the layout makes cooking on the road feel effortless. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or hosting friends for dinner, this space has you covered without feeling cluttered. Move toward the bedroom area, and yeah, Cadillac went full comfort mode here. The bed is big, plush, and ridiculously comfortable, like hotel-level comfort. Surrounding it, you've got soft-touch materials, built-in storage, and accent lighting that makes the whole space feel calm and relaxing. Large windows give you killer views when parked, and blackout shades let you knock out when it's time to sleep. This isn't just a place to crash, it's a legit retreat after a long day. Performance-wise, this motorhome backs up the luxury with serious muscle. Under the hood, you're looking at a powerful engine setup designed to haul all this luxury without breaking a sweat. Smooth acceleration, confident handling, and a suspension system that eats up rough roads like it's nothing. Cadillac tuned this thing for comfort, so highway cruising feels steady and quiet, not floaty or shaky. Advanced driver assistance systems are all here too: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras that make parky and beasts like this way less intimidating. For something this big, it moves surprisingly smooth, and that's a huge win. Now, let's talk money. Because yeah, this kind of luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome is expected to start around the high six figures. And depending on customization and options, you can easily push into seven-figure territory. But here's the thing, you're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a Cadillac experience on wheels. Premium materials, cutting-edge tech, elite comfort, and a brand name that carries serious weight. For buyers who want the absolute best and aren't trying to compromise, this price makes sense. So who is this motorhome really for? This is for the folks who want luxury without limits. The people who want to travel in style, flex a little, and enjoy every mile of the journey. It's not about roughing it. It's about rolling first class wherever the road takes you. And that's the full breakdown of the 2026 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome. If you're into luxury RVs, high-end motorhomes, and rides that go all out with style and comfort, this one definitely deserves a spot on your radar. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to Saints Reviews Hub for more fire content like this, and drop a comment telling me what you think. Would you roll in this Cadillac, or is it too much sauce for you? Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.